Hello everyone, today I will be presenting our project on text to SQL system. This project aims to bridge the gap between natural language and SQL queries, making database interaction more innovative and user friendly. Will be discuss the motivation behind this project, our objectives and the methodology we used in our findings. The overview of text to SQL system. The purpose of this text to SQL system is facilitating the innovative interaction with database using plain language queries. The importance of this project is bridging the gap between human language and structured queries. The core problem we addressed in complexity users face when interacting with database using SQL. Structured query language or SQL can be challenging for users who are not well versed in it. This complexity can hinder effective data retrieval and manipulation, limiting the accessibility of valid data insights. Creating a system that translates natural language queries into SQL queries. Our main objectives are to develop a system that enhances database usability, ensuring high accuracy and efficiency in query translations. This system is designed to be accessible for users with varying levels of SQL knowledge. These are the main objectives to develop this project. Develop a user-friendly text-to-SQL system, improve accessibility of database for the user with varying SQL knowledge, ensure high accuracy and efficiency in query translation. We aim to bridge the gap between human language and database systems, making a data retrieval, manipulation, data analysis, and more innovative and efficient. To build our text-to-SQL system, we utilize a robust set of software tools and frameworks. Our primary programming language is Python due to its versatility and extensive libraries for natural language processing and machine learning. And the OS that we used in this project is Windows. It is compatible with Linux also. The programming language is Python, and we used NLTK and Stanford NLP. And machine learning framework that we use PyTorch, and database is MySQL, and database connector is SQL Alchemy. And the hardware is requirement for our project include modern CPUs, sufficient RAM, and storage space to handle processing needs of NLP task. Hardware, the CPU that we used in this project is the CPU Intel i5 Centralization and RAM 8 GB storage by 550 GB SSD, and our system architecture is designed to ensure a seamless flow from user input to SQL query generation. It involves several key steps, starting with tokenization of user input, followed by streaming and syntax analysis, and finally query formation. Key steps involved in this project are tokenization, streaming, query identification, and query formation. Each step is proposed method and the modules. First module is a user model. This model builds Streamlit using Streamlit, a powerful framework for creating interactive web application. And the second module is NLP processing module. This includes tokenization, streaming, syntax analysis of user queries. These steps are essential for breaking down the user input and understandable components. And third module is query identification module, the user friendly to perform whether a create, update, insert, delete, select operations. These steps ensures the system correctly understands the user intent. The fourth module, query building module. Once the query type is identified, the fourth module constructs the SQL query dynamically. This involves mapping the processed natural language components to SQL syntax. And the fifth module, database interaction module, manages the connection to the MySQL database. We conducted an extensive literature survey to understand the existing approach in the field of text to SQL system. The notable approaches including SQL to SQL, which uses reinforcement learning, and WikiSQL, which employs a graph to SQL model for representation. These existing systems provides a foundation for our project and allowing it to build upon their successes and address their limitations. User interface and output. Here is a glimpse of our user interface. User can input their queries in natural language. and give the translated SQL queries and results. The interface is designed to be innovative and user-friendly, ensuring a smooth user experience. A text-to-SQL system aims to simplify database interactions, making data retrieval, analysis, and more accessible. We have successfully developed a system that translates natural language queries into SQL with high accuracy efficiency. Moving forward, we plan to enhance the system capabilities, improve its performance with more complex queries, and possibility to integrate voice-based input for even more innovative interactions. Thank you for your attention. We would like to acknowledge our guide Dr. Sanjeeva Polepaka and our institute for their support. If you have any queries, would like to know more about our project, please free to contact. Thank you.